Hi guys, today in this video we'll be learning about Wi-Fi hacking. So before getting into Wi-Fi hacking, we must actually require a item called Wi-Fi adapter. Okay, we actually require Wi-Fi adapter to perform Wi-Fi hacking. Okay, so I'll be showing you what is the best Wi-Fi adapter you can purchase. Uh, just a second. So I have done so much research on this best Wi-Fi adapter. So you can purchase this Wi-Fi adapter alpha wireless adapter USB adapter. Okay, you before buying this you must actually check what are its compatibilities and what are the operating systems it can support. See, this alpha Wi-Fi adapter can support Linux, Windows XP, and Windows Vista Server, Windows 2000. Okay, so all these operating systems it can able to support. Now it can you must have to check with the compatible like bandwidth. Okay, and next and wireless type operating systems, and see all these things you need to see, and you have to purchase this Wi-Fi adapter. Okay, so you must check the main thing you actually need to check check that is this operating system that it is supporting. So must ensure it has to support Linux operating system. Okay, we are going to perform Wi-Fi attack in Kali Linux. By using Kali Linux operating system, we are going to perform this Wi-Fi hacking. So that is why the Wi-Fi adapter must ensure it has to support the Linux operating system. Okay, so please make sure that you must buy a Wi-Fi adapter that supports this Kali Linux. Okay, Kali Linux OS. Next, getting into the theoretical part, I'll be providing all this stuff in the web. You can see there. Okay, just a second. Sorry guys. Okay, what is actually mean by Wi-Fi? So Wi-Fi refers to the wireless local area network supports IEEE 802.11 standards. Okay, Wi-Fi is nothing but wireless fidelity. Okay, previously, it is widely used technology for wireless communications across the radio channel. So devices like private computer, video game, console, smartphones, all these can be connected to the Wi-Fi. Those devices can use Wi-Fi to attach to your network resource like web via wireless network access point. So whatever the devices that are connected to the Wi-Fi, they get a unique IP address. Okay, they are going to get a unique IP address. So based on that IP address only, you're going to receive the results on what you have searched. Okay. Now, what are the advantages and disadvantages when you're connected to your Wi-Fi? Okay. Actually, Wi-Fi can replace, cables. Okay, Wi-Fi can reach to the places where the cables cannot reach. Okay, cables, deep sea cables, and sorry, next, mm, cables like uh, far away places ఉంటాయి కదా. For example, uh, like regions, hilly regions. Okay, hilly regions, and sorry, at the same time, like hilly regions and valleys. Okay, అలాంటి చోట్ల కూడా Wi-Fi like they can travel through satellites. Okay, sometimes Wi-Fi is provided for free of cost at cafes. Okay, so you must actually notice this thing. Wi-Fi ఎక్కడ ఫ్రీగా అయిపోదు. Okay, Wi-Fi ఫ్రీగా ఇస్తున్నారంటే you must have to keep in mind that there is there are some hackers beyond this Wi-Fi. Okay, so we actually when you connected to this Wi-Fi, uh, your personal data may be theft by some hackers. Okay, or else they can be seen by some hackers. So for security purpose, you must not you should not connect it to the Wi-Fi's, free Wi-Fi's. Okay, security hackers are going to break the passwords, and Wi-Fi can be easily accessible to the people based on the two things like uh, you know uh, basically global system for mobile communication. GSM is a technology where you are going to get the signal for internet from telecom services. Okay, telecom services like BSNL and Geo Act Fiber, like Geo Sims. All you're getting Sims, right? So through Sims, you're going to get internet. You're going to get access to the internet. So this is possible by the telecom services. So see, access point is nothing but when you're connecting to the particular Wi-Fi router or particular hotspot, like mobile hotspot. So through that you are going to get some Wi-Fi, right? So that point where you're connected, from which you are going to get the internet, is called access point. Okay, the point name is called, specifically that point name is called as access point. So service get identifier. Okay, service get identifier, SSID is the name of the access point. Okay, if you open your phone, you're going to you just check in the hotspot setting. Okay, you just check in the hotspot setting. You're going to see a particular section called SSID. Okay, SSID is the name of the mobile hotspot, and like name of the mobile hotspot device, and BSSID is the MAC address of an address point. Okay, you can see this BSSID in PCs or Mac. Okay, and most of the people got access for internet all over the world. Okay, next, what are the types of wireless networks? So actually these are knowing about all these things are not mandatory, but some basic things we should know for hacking the Wi-Fi. Okay, next, what are the types of wireless networks? Extension to avoid networks. Okay, next, multiple access points, LAN, and this is LAN to LAN wireless networks, 3G or 4G hotspot. So all these are the types of wireless networks. I'll be giving you about this in I'll give you the description in the web. You can go there and see. And next, we require Wi-Fi adapter to perform Wi-Fi hacking. Okay, so what is the use of this Wi-Fi adapter? Sorry, I forgot to tell you that what is the use of this Wi-Fi adapter. Actually, the Wi-Fi is not enabled by default in Kali Linux, but it is easily available in Windows machine. So we are going to connect this Wi-Fi adapter to our machine to particularly enable the Wi-Fi in Kali Linux operating system. Okay, so that is the use of this Wi-Fi adapter. So without this Wi-Fi adapter, we are not going to perform Wi-Fi hacking. Okay, this Wi-Fi adapter is must and should, and we require this at any cost. Okay, to perform Wi-Fi hacking. So uh, right now I'm actually out of this Wi-Fi adapter. Uh, I had it, but it is at some other place. I'm in hostel, and actually I'm at hostel. It is at my home. So I'm going to like uh, show you one video. Uh, yeah, yeah, guys. I'm going to show you one video here. You can perform hacking. Wi-Fi hacking by you know same process. Okay. Uh, yeah, just a second, guys. So I'm going to play this video. You can perform Wi-Fi hacking as it is. This is the as it is process. You can do the Wi-Fi hacking. I'm going to play this video. You just watch it carefully.
through USB. Just I'm connecting this. See now, this is my inbuilt Wi-Fi. But when I connect this, my another Wi-Fi here adapter, see what happens. It is going to show you. And
So what actually he did is he connected his Wi-Fi adapter to the uh, like machine. Okay, personal computer, and you're going to see the changes here. Okay, just a second.
another Wi-Fi now. It takes some time and see. wireless network 6 is connected, right? So this is in physical mission. But what but where I require this? So ఇది ఎక్కడ కావాలి నాకు? Kali Linux లో కావాలి. See Kali Linux లో this is a network. See only wide connection మాత్రమే చూపిస్తుంది, wireless connection చూపించట్లేదు నాకు. But I want to dump this Wi-Fi adapter network 6 to Kali Linux. How to do that? Just go for devices. Okay, just go for devices. Under that, go to USB. Under that, you can check Atheros USB WLAN, wireless LAN, WLAN. You need to check for this. You have to click on this. ఇది క్లిక్ చేయగానే ఏమవుతుంది అంటే ఇక్కడ నుంచి డిస్కనెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఫిజికల్ మిషన్ లో డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయిపోయి వర్చువల్ మిషన్ లో డిస్కనెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. సి it takes some time. It is installing a driver, device driver software. It takes some time. Once it is done, searching for Windows update, wait for a while. Once it is installed, you will be seeing that. Come on, come on. Loading. It takes some time. It is just uploading that driver. Come on. For the first time, it is going to show you. See, installing driver and ready to use. Okay, done. Now, after some time, see, there is a wireless connections. There is a wireless connection which you can see here. See, see, all these are the connections which you can see it here. Okay, so now here what happens? Okay, what we are going to do here? Very simple. Just will go to a tool which is already there. We are going to use that particular tool. We call this as a Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi. There's a tool called Wi-Fi, and I'm going to give you the command. Don't worry about that. Only one single command is more than enough. This is a command. So Wi-Fi is a tool which we are going to use, and I'm targeting WPA encryptions, and I'm going to use a technique called dictionary attacks. Dictionary attacks, and this is a file which contains all the username and passwords. And if there is any background processes are running, just kill that. Just I'm giving this command. See what happens. Because why I'm using this Wi-Fi tool and the key tool ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తున్నానంటే it has preloaded techniques are available. Almost 4 techniques it is going to check. 4 types of attacks toni try chesi it will give you the results. If all 4 attacks are failed, then it will go to dictionary attacks. Okay, let us see that. So Wi-Fi. Okay, Wi-Fi space hyphen WPA. I'm targeting WPA web wireless connections. Then hyphen DICT, that is for dictionary file. And where is the dictionary file here? That is common.txt file is in my desktop. So I will go here slash root desktop. Under that common.txt file, just I have given a path hyphen kill. That's it. Very simple. Yokka command korte chalu. See, actually it is used for wireless auditor, and here it is saying that this is the WLAN 0, but it is enabling monitor mode now. It is enabling monitor mode. WLAN 0 ఏమైంది? Enabled monitor mode. WLAN 0 mon అయింది అంటే monitor. Okay, now it is scanning. See, now it is scanning for all the devices. Okay, so which is nearby me. It takes some time. Okay, once it takes some time, then we'll attack on that. We'll attack on any one of that particular thing. See, still it is connecting. See, it takes some time. Once it is connected, then you will be seeing that. Okay, see, almost maximum 5 nearby me. Only five corrections are available, so you can see that. So right now I'm going with a control C. Okay, control C kottanu. So whenever you are ready, it is asking to control C, and here control C. So this is a one. So now home hack is my network, and S Venkatesh, I don't know which network it is. Just I will try to do that, but real time lo meer cheyakandi because it will be illegal activity. Only for our demo purpose I'm doing this. Okay, for real time. Okay, one. Enter, because the ID number is one for this S Venkatesh. Enter.
So you can actually select any of the any of the Wi-Fi here. Particularly, you choose this yes Venkatesh. So to choose this yes Venkatesh, you actually need to enter number like one. If you want to crack the password of this home hack, I mean second one, you actually need to enter the number two. Okay, in the same uh, this process continues. If you want to choose the last one, you can enter this file. So in this way, you need to choose the device. Okay.
See what it is doing. It is doing starting attack against this is an a BSSID, that is Wi-Fi your router your MAC address, and it is sending that WPS pixel dust. Okay, this is one of the technique which is going to be used. So it takes some time for this. It's almost takes a 4 to 5 minutes of time. So if it is cracked, it is going to show you that. Otherwise, it is going for another attack. Okay, the attack work up for the inco attack lock వెళ్తుంది. Okay, so it is going to show you that say failed attempts, timeout attempts, all these things. Okay, so right now what I'm going to do here is just I will stop this here. Okay, just stop this here. సో రియల్ టైంలో అయితే వెయిట్ చేయొచ్చు, లేదంటే అక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది అంటే ఇండైరెక్ట్ గా రిక్వెస్ట్లు కంటిన్యూగా వెళ్తా ఉంటాయి. సో రౌటర్ కి కంటిన్యూగా రిక్వెస్ట్లు వెళ్తున్నాయి అంటే ఏంటి, రౌటర్ కి డాస్ అటాక్స్ వెళ్తుంది అని అర్థం. డాస్ అటాక్స్ అయితే ఏమవుతుంది, నో వన్ విల్ గెట్ ఇంటర్నెట్. సో ద జెన్యూన్ యూజర్స్ ఎవరైతే ఆ పర్టికులర్ యూజర్స్ ఉన్నారో ఆ పర్టికులర్ వైఫై కనెక్ట్ అయి ఉన్నాం.
So actually, DOS attacks జరుగుతాయి కదా. So I actually made a video on this DOS attacks. You can watch on the web. So DOS attacks అంటే ఏంటి, DOS actually what's in by DOS, and DOS attacks ఎలా perform చేస్తారు. So all those things I have discussed in that video. You can go there and watch that.
వాళ్ళెవరికి కూడా రిక్వెస్ట్ అనేది ఐ మీన్ ద ఇంటర్నెట్ అనేది వర్క్ అవ్వదు, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఎందుకంటే డాస్ అటాక్స్ కి వెళ్తుంది. జస్ట్ చెకింగ్ గోయింగ్ చెకింగ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. సో ఇట్ విల్ బి అ హ్యూజ్ ఫ్లడ్ ఫర్ దెమ్. ఓకే, సో 4 అటాక్స్ ఆర్ రిమైనింగ్, డూ యూ వాంట్ టు కంటిన్యూ అని అడుగుతుంది. ఎస్, సి, ప్రెస్ సి, ఎంటర్. సో నౌ చెక్ దట్ విచ్ అటాక్ ఇట్ ఈస్ డూయింగ్. WPS null pin అటాక్ చేస్తుంది. ఇది కూడా ఒక 5 minutes టైం తీసుకొని ఇట్ విల్ గివ్ యూ ద రిజల్ట్స్. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో ద సేమ్ ప్రాసెస్, బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ విత్ ద డిఫరెంట్ థింగ్స్ లైక్ టైమ్ అవుట్ ఏంటి, ఫెయిల్స్ అటెంప్ట్స్ జరిగాయి, అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు షో యూ దట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. ఇట్ టేక్స్ సమ్ టైమ్ ఫర్ దట్. ఓకే, రైట్ నౌ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు డూ హియర్ ఇస్ జస్ట్ ఐ విల్ ఎంటర్ స్టాప్ దిస్, కంట్రోల్ C. Now again it is going for another attack which is already preloaded attacks are there. So continue, press C and enter. WPS పిన్ అటాక్. ఈ పిన్ అటాక్ వచ్చేసరికి ఎంతసేపు టైం పడుతుందో ఎవరికి తెలియదు, బికాస్ ర్యాండమ్ గా పిన్ నెంబర్స్ తోని జనరేట్ చేసి ఇట్ విల్ ట్రై టు డూ అటాక్ లైక్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ 6 to 8 డిజిట్ పిన్ నెంబర్ తోనే అటాక్ చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది కంటిన్యూగా. సో ఇట్ టేక్స్ యూ సో మచ్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్, 100% కంప్లీట్ అయ్యే వరకు వెయిట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, సమ్ టైమ్స్ ఈ టైమింగ్ లో ఏమవుతుంది అంటే సర్వర్ ఐ మీన్ వైఫై రౌటర్ క్రాష్ అయ్యే ఛాన్సెస్ కూడా ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, సో దెర్ ఈస్ అ పాసిబిలిటీ. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు టేక్ so much of time and there is no expectation of time, limit time. Okay, so right now I'm going with the control C. Just I'm stopping all these automated tasks. Now 2 things are remaining, there is 2 attacks are remaining. Continue. Okay, now it is taking you that PMK ID capture and oka chinna technique tone it will try to capture the packet, it will try to capture the files. Okay, so it is taking less than 2 minutes, so we can wait for 2 minutes, no worries. Okay, if it is cracked with the PMK ID, if it is captured, if a handshake అనేది capture అయ్యింది అంటే then it will start decrypting that particular password from dictionary files. Okay, ఒకసారి ప్యాకెట్ క్యాప్చర్ అయ్యింది అంటే that's more than enough, it will try to decrypt that particular password. So we'll wait for that. It's almost 1 minute 25 seconds. So if it is captured, it is going to show you. If it is not captured, again it is going to show you as a failed one. Okay, then it will go to dictionary attack. If dictionary attack is also failed, then failed. Okay, so it's a purely depending upon the security. So we cannot decide like we cannot tell that 100% గా కంపల్సరీ వైఫై పాస్వర్డ్ వస్తుందని ఎక్కడ కూడా మనం చెప్పలేం, because there might have vulnerabilities, then you will get. If you don't have a vulnerabilities, then you won't get it. Okay, so very simple. So PMK ID, it's almost 50 seconds. So it's still it is done. So still it is running, we'll wait for that. Come on 37. You should have a patience for this. to run this Wi-Fi hackings. ఒక్కోసారి మన సిస్టమ్ కూడా క్రాష్ అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది బికాస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ సెండింగ్ ఏ హ్యూజ్ ఫ్లడ్ అంటే మన ప్రాసెసర్ కూడా బర్డెన్ పడుతుంది సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు చెక్ ఫర్ దాట్ ఆల్సో ఓకే 18 seconds almost 10 seconds 9 is it capturing or not come on okay 0 handshake waiting for the target existing handshake okay it was captured see handshake was captured and it is cracked also see it is cracked the password where you can see the password here
So can you able to see the password here? See the PSK password is SYN 12345. So in this way you can able to perform Wi-Fi hacking. Okay. So right now I have shown you this video. You people please do not perform this Wi-Fi hacking on unknown person's Wi-Fi. Okay. You can perform on your own Wi-Fi. Uh, but doing it on another's Wi-Fi is a crime and illegal as well. So in the next video I'll be showing you about how to protect this Wi-Fi. How to keep some encrypted passwords. Like how to keep some most like uh, strong passwords. Okay, how to make your Wi-Fi uncrackable. So I'll be dealing you about that topic in the next videos. Okay,
it
just a second.
is capital SVEN12345 this is a password for an S Venkatesh 2.4 now
So okay, I hope you have understood this class. In the next video, will be dealing with the how to secure your Wi-Fi. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I request you please do not perform this on your like on unknown Wi-Fi's. Okay, if you connected to the unknown Wi-Fi's by performing this Wi-Fi hacking, that will be an illegal activity, and you should have to face the consequences. Okay. So I'm strictly warning you, please do not try to perform this. If you do that by ignoring these statements, you need to face the situations. We are not responsible for that. Okay. Thanks for watching. Yeah, I actually know. I know that few people will perform. Uh, it's your destination. It's your destiny. If you perform these Wi-Fi hackings, you need to face. I told you. Okay. Thank you.